Hi friends, this is Jyotsna from konlines.com. In this session, I would like to discuss about the topic SPO, that is Semantic Partition Object. Okay, we'll discuss about this. It is available in BW NetWeaver, SAP NetWeaver BW 7.3. NetWeaver BW 7.3 version release and the newly introduced info provider type that comprises number of 99 structures. Up to 99 you can create, and coming to the characteristics, if characteristics, maximum number of characteristics is 6. Up to 99 SPOs we can create. Okay, structures we can create. Semantic partitioning is a property of info provider. You specify this property when creating the info providers. Info providers are data targets like info cubes or DSOs. Okay. Standard DSO or right optimization DSO will be used. Here coming to here, InfoCube, standard InfoCube is used. Semantic partitioning divides the info provider into several small equally sized units or partition. A semantical partitioned object is an info provider that consists of several info cubes or DSOs with same structure. Okay, which means partition the info provider that consists of several cubes or several DSOs, mean with the same structure. Okay, now better performance with mass data. Okay, means the larger the data volume, the longer the runtime required for standard DSO and standard info cubes. Okay, semantic partitioning means that the data sets are distributed over several data containers like this. I'll show the picture, you'll get the idea. See here, like this. This is the info cubes. Different info cubes, semantically partitioned. This is the DSO. Here transformations through DTP, like this. It will be partitioned, okay, into several info cubes. Semantic partitions means that the data sets are distributed over several data containers. This means that runtimes are kept short even if the data volume is large. And close data connection. Error handling is better if the request for the region ends with an error, and then the region will be different. Means region ends with an error. For example, the entire info provider with a semantic info provider is unavailable for analysis and reporting. With a semantic partition object, the separation of the regions into different partitions means that only the region that causes the error is unavailable for data analysis. Okay, means only error data will be not. only the error data will be not there, and remaining data we can use. It will be available in the analysis. When you need to store the partition data based on certain characteristics value for data stored in multiple identical info cubes based on the year or month or device, we can create as per our requirement. Okay, we can partition the value as per our requirement. Okay, this is about the semantic partition, and we'll go for the navigation. Okay, navigation for semantic partition object. Okay, now create a queue first. Okay, let me log on to my SAP system. Select log on, run, log on, give the credentials, go to the info provider. What is the T code for info provider? RSA11. Okay, and take this info area for info set example Joe IA underscore IT SET. Okay, now select the info. See here, under modeling info provider, select your info provider. Info area for info set example Joe IA underscore IT SET. Okay. Now select context menu, select create queue. Now I'll create a demo of this, write as demo SPO. Okay, this is my cube name. Demo for SPO example Joe. Okay, now presently I'm not having any data with this cube. I get the objects from another cube. Okay, here already I'm having the objects, so I'll use this cube SIC underscore IG12. I'll use these objects. Okay, means these properties will be there. Okay, select now what is my motive to create the semantic partitions, right? Property semantically partition. Select this, select create, select semantically partition checkbox and select create. Now see here, you will get the semantic partition screen here. See here, edit semantically partitioned info cube. Okay, already I am having objects. Why? Because I had to took my objects from the another cube. See here, these are my objects, characteristics and key figures are there here. And now maintain objects is okay. Now I'll get for the maintain partitions. Go for select maintain partitions. Now see here, I want uh, by month, by day. Okay, 2 dates. I'll check 2 dates. So 0 cal day. Move to right. Select continue. Partitioning. This is my partitioning criteria. Okay. Now I'll give the value for which value I want my cube. Okay, for which calendar day. Now select 20201 2012. 12 calendar I had created the value. Okay, now select this also, Jan 2nd. Okay, and create another partition also. I want this date 11th. Okay, 11th Jan 2012. This is my second partition. What I have to change this name also. Jan 11. Okay, these are my partitions. I have created two partitions and select start activation. Okay, it automatically creates all the things. It is under maintenance. See here, ZDSPO, that is object maintenance. See here, it's processing. Okay, continue with the message. See here, this is activated. Now create the transformations. See here, automatically I didn't get the info cube here, target. I got it as a info source. Actually, normally what it happens is, I'm having two cubes, right? One is, I'll take the cube symbol itself, it's better, I guess. No, I'm having two cubes. Okay. Okay, for this, we'll get the transformations and the DTP, everything, and it will get the info source here. Okay, what info source, inbound, and info source outbound. Oh, means outbound. Okay. It now after that it will get the transformations and all the things. Okay, now we are going for transformations. Create transformation. See here, observe this info source. See here, observe this. I had wrote the I. This is inbound. Okay, inbound info source. Object type, here I want cube. What is my cube name? ZDSPO. Select continue. 1 second. Not active it seems. Oh, sorry. One. Now create transformations. I said inbound and outbound are there. I load the cube through inbound. Okay, inbound info source. Now select my cube. Now go to here, and what is my cube? Oh sorry, SIC underscore IT12. This is my cube. Select continue. See here transformations are created automatically. CID underscore ITS is connected to CID underscore ITS, and the PID underscore ITS connected to PID ITS, and the time dimensions and unit dimensions key figures all are mapped with all. Select activate transformations. Now completed the activation also. See here activation transformation activated successfully. Now completed the transformations and create the DTP. Okay. Now first I'll create it with a temporary DTP. Create new DTP template. Okay. Demo DSPO underscore DTP. Okay, it automatically created. See here, under my data source, nothing is there. DTP is not there, right? So it automatically creates. Wait. Now, data source, full update. Select save. See here, it's created here. Drag and drop here. Okay, now done. I had created, see here not yet generated, not yet generated. Now I'll create generate DTP generation for ZDSPO change it. See here. Now I'll do one thing, generate, start DTP generation. Now select all this, select generate. Now DTP will generate automatically. See here. I didn't created any DTP, right? See, observe this. SIC underscore IT12. This is my cube name. Followed by ZDSPO02. This is my cube name. DTP. See here DTP ID. See here it's green color. Active version. Active version is consists with template. Active version with template. DTP filters. DTP filters. Now go back. Let me go back. We can create the process chain also. Now we are not discussing about the process chain. Now observe one thing. See here, demo for SPO example Joe. Now under this is my semantic partition name. See here, I didn't created this actually. Semantic partitions. See here, observe my cubes for Jan 11th and Jan 2nd. Observe this. Observe the transformations DTP. I didn't created manually. It's automatically created. Okay. Now double click here. See here, filter is automatically ticked, applied. For what value I had created filter for? Let me check this. Select the filters. Double click on the DS4. Select extraction tab. Under that, select filters. See here, by default the select filters value is checked, tick mark. So I'm checking the filter value. I had given 2 dates for that, means based on the calendar day I had selected, so it will be one of this day, whether 11th or 12th. Let me check this. See here, it had applied the calendar day filtration for calendar day 11/01/2012, and one more also there. I'll check one more cube also. Continue, close, down, and this is another value. Select the filters 2nd Jan. filter will be applied to 2nd Jan. See here, 2nd Jan 2012. Okay, this is about the filtration. Even filtration will be there. And let me go to this. See here, two different cubes are created with the same values, means multiple partitions will be done, so that reporting will be very fast. If I want to access only this value, I can take reporting for this. If I want this reporting, I can take individually for this. Okay. Now select my cube, select this display data flow. See here, this is inbound. Now select downwards, observe the data flow. See here, semantical partitioning object is there, and under that my separate partitioned cubes are there. Transformations, this is my cube connected to this. SID, this is my cube plan, I set underscore test, this is my data source, and this is my flat file. Okay, it fetches the data from this cube and it will distribute the data for this. It is the inbound. If I want to means from my cube transfer the data to from my cube to another one, then what is my is ZDSPO underscore O. This is outbound. Okay, I'll show that also. Wait, select the info source. I said that I'm having two info sources, right? One is inbound, means I'll fetch the data from the other cube, and one is output. From this, I can send the data through from this cube to other cubes. Okay. Now let me search outbound also. ZDSO Z. What is my info source name? ZDSPO underscore outbound. Okay, search for this. You will find the outbound also. See here, observe this. Under this, I'll find my cubes also. Transformations. See the cube, transformations, and the cubes. Okay, from this I can transfer to the other cube. Okay, this is about the SPO, that is semantic partitioning object, inbound and outbound info sources also. Thanks for watching this video.